Hello, I'm Jordi Ibern, a Reiki teacher and the founder of Kisetsu Reiki and Meditation School, and today I would like to introduce you to our complete Reiki Level 1 course. This course, carefully designed after more than 20 years of teaching Reiki worldwide, offers a unique opportunity to delve into the fascinating world of Reiki at your own pace and in depth, with 60 recorded classes, a live online class for the initiation, and a detailed manual. It's one of the most comprehensive Reiki courses you'll find. You will learn Reiki techniques, from hands-on healing to regular meditation, discover intriguing facts about its spiritual origins, health benefits, history, principles. With over 6 hours of practice and 7 hours of theory, organized in 12 modules and a live online class, you'll find the perfect balance between learning and experiencing. You will also receive the course materials and unlimited access to the classes, allowing you to review the content whenever you need. Additionally, as I mentioned earlier, you'll have a live online class with me for your Reiki initiation. You will also receive a diploma confirming that you have completed the first level of Reiki, a diploma granted by Kisetsu Reiki and Meditation School. Are you ready to start this journey together? I hope we start practicing soon.